Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 5 best breakfasts and weekend brunch spots in Manhattan. Number 5, Maison Kayser. Maison Kayser is an authentic artisanal French boulangerie chain with locations around the city that serves freshly baked pastries, cakes, confectionery, and bread on a daily basis. Founded by Eric Kayser in Paris in 1996, Maison Kayser serves a menu inspired by French artisanal bakeries, including breakfast dishes such as eggs benedict, scrambled eggs with truffles, oatmeal with raisins, yogurt parfait, chia seed pudding, and freshly baked croissants, brioche, and viennoise with white or dark chocolate. Beverages range from a variety of coffees and imported tea, iced coffee and hot chocolate, and fresh juices. Number 4, 10th Avenue Cookshop. Set on the corner of 156 10th Avenue and 20th Street in the heart of Manhattan, Mark Meyer and Vicky Friedman's all-day restaurant Cookshop serves wholesome and hearty breakfasts, light and filling lunches, and unforgettable dinners in a casual, relaxed setting. Menus have been created using fresh, locally sourced ingredients and artisanal produce, with a focus on seasonal availability and prepared on the grill, split rotisserie, or wood-burning oven. Seasonal items such as squash blossom frittatas are served alongside popular mainstays like spinach and cheddar scramble, huevos rancheros, and buttermilk pancakes. Number 3, Clinton Saint Baking Company, CSBC. Clinton Saint Baking Company is a renowned bakery and restaurant that is renowned for its pancakes, freshly baked biscuits, and warm-out-the-oven pastries, as well as for being a brunch magnet on the weekends. The favorite bakery began as a humble wholesale bakery and grew into the all-day restaurant it is today, with a plethora of accolades for its pancakes, which are light and fluffy on the inside, crispy and golden on the outside, topped with sweet or savory delights, and smothered in warm maple syrup. Other house signatures include brioche French toast, smoked salmon scramble, and buttermilk fried chicken, all of which are served all day. This cult brunch favorite is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, Monday through Saturday, and breakfast and lunch only on Sundays. Number 2, Bubbies. Bubbies is a friendly neighborhood cafe that has been serving loyal Tribeca's delicious cuisine for more than 25 years. Starting as a small corner kitchen owned by chef-owner Ron Silver selling home-baked pies, Bubbies now has locations in Tribeca and the Meatpacking District across from the Whitney Museum and is still serving the same hearty fare for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast and weekend brunches draw crowds to flock to enjoy classic morning options like eggs benedict, smoked salmon bagels, and huevos rancheros, as well as sweeter treats such as buttermilk biscuits with Vermont butter and homemade jam, Nutella pancakes with mixed berry jam, and steel-cut oatmeal with caramelized banana, toasted walnuts, spiced apples, and sesame seeds. Number 1, Penelope. Penelope is a rustic chic neighborhood cafe serving American comfort fare for breakfast, brunch, lunch, and dinner in a stylish setting. The charming bistro exudes a warm and welcoming vibe with wooden furnishings, old-school lamps, and mounted ceiling fans, offering a bustling, lively atmosphere. The menu oozes the same classic cafe feel with traditional breakfast plates of fluffy omelets, egg scrambles, egg sandwiches, buttermilk and pumpkin pancakes, French toast, Irish oatmeal, and homemade granola, along with fresh seasonal fruit, homemade muffins, bacon, sausage, grilled ham and cheese, and hand-cut French fries or sweet potato chips. Sweet treats include raspberry sour cream coffee cake, a perfect accompaniment to freshly brewed coffee. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.